It's a 2020 Jaguar F-Type. Take your drive to new heights as you lift the roof from the mundane and breathe deep the boundless skies of exhilaration. It's well equipped with the features you need: automatic transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, engine auto stop start feature, power rear spoiler, integrated navigation system, Wi-Fi hotspot, power tilting steering column, streaming audio, power telescoping steering column, memory exterior door mirror settings, and intercooled supercharged V8 engine. This from Edmunds.com. When it comes to satisfying the emotional side of driving, Jaguar F-Type is one of the best sports cars available today. Innovation, responsibility, Jaguar. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.